I'm not 100% sure who my people are, but other women who sit down and also immediately tuck their mom pooches into their mid-rise jeans are probably close contenders.
And welcome. Today's video, I'm laughing because I'm so flippin' nervous about this video. We're going to be talking about my everyday uses that I don't even think twice about, that keep them always in my routine. So some of my favorite products, at least for the moment, because you guys know I'm a Gemini with ADHD that's always highly caffeinated over here. So I may change my mind in about 2 weeks and I'll have another video for you, but that's the fun of being a content creator, you know what I mean? Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda. I upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. And over here, we just embrace the caffeinated hot mess, and it's a judgment and drama-free zone. So hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. I can't breathe because I'm this nervous. Okay, ready? Let's talk about the goofiest, craziest, gimmickiest, potentially looking, for sure, item I have to tell you guys that I've been using for probably 2.5 weeks now, and it has changed my life. And I know that sounds like corny as sin, but it's changed my life in the fact that I don't need to yearn for lip fillers. Stay with me here, guys. Y'all know, if you've been with me for a while, back in November of 2018, I did win a thing of Juvederm. It was only one thing of, you know, Juvederm in the lips. There's a video on my channel on it, and as you guys know, Juvederm only lasts 9 to 12 months. So I no longer have Juvederm in my lips because obviously it's 2020. I have tried other products on the market that have worked really well. For example, the PMD lip plumper, that worked really well. I did a whole dedicated video about it and everything, and it did work. However, I used it so much I broke it, and I didn't want to pay another $100 for it. Well, one night the hubs was snoring like he does when he goes off keto, and I decided to hop on Amazon, because what does any other wife that can't sleep do? She gets on Amazon and makes some irrational, potentially poor decisions. However, this poor decision and irrational thought really worked out in my favor. I was like, you know what, that's the one time I'm not mad at you for snoring, babe, you know? Anywho, I bought this lip plumper. Right here. It's a judgment-free zone. I laugh because I'm nervous. Is my face red? You guys, it actually flippin' works. It's silicone, and I just chuck it into the top rack of my dishwasher, and oh my gosh, you guys, obviously, if you think that you can plop this thing on, use it one time, and you're done, and you're gonna have big voluptuous lips for the rest of the day, then, you know, obviously, no. Do you need to be careful with it? Yes. Could you cause yourself to have a hickey? Yeah. So you've got to be very, very careful for it when you use it. But does it actually work? It does. And you guys know, as we age, we lose the volume to our lips, and I never realized it until I had gotten that Juvederm back in November of 2018. The nurse that was doing them had explained, you know, like we really lose that. And what I loved, because like I said, I only got one thing of it, and what I loved is it just really, you know how we get like the lines on our lips? It plumped it just enough to, I could put a matte lipstick on, and everything looked really pretty. And you know, that was the one thing that I really, really missed. That, and the fact that it gave my upper lip like the volume. And anyways, I got this. I use it probably twice a day, guys, and it really does get like the blood to, like, I'm assuming it's the blood, to rush up to the lips and to really plump them. You obviously have to be very mindful about using this little doohickey, but y'all, I'm telling y'all, I love it. I love the fact that I'm not in like a committed relationship with Juvederm, that I literally just rely on this. And what I do is I will use this in the morning, and it was funny because my husband came walking in and I have this like suction to me, and he's like, what the hell? I was like, I'm getting my big voluptuous lips. Welcome to our life, guys. My husband all the time was like, we need a reality show because you're crazy. And I'm like, I don't need people to see any more of what they already see, okay? So this literally, I want to say it was under 10 bucks. It might even have been like $5 or $8. And I'm going to link it for you guys because for those of you like me who don't want to spend the money or don't want to be in a committed relationship with Juvederm or whatever the lip fillers are, this is a really good option. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, you guys know I always talk about the Gerard Cosmetics. This is a sugar and spice lip liner. You guys, I do this thing, I get everything nice, big, and plumped. And by the way, when I do use this, I do put like a lip, I call it a chapstick, but it's a lip balm. Y'all have corrected me many times. It's a lip balm. I put a lip balm on, put this on, let it do its thing, have big old juicy lips, and then I take my Sugar and Spice lip liner by Gerard Cosmetics. I will never hush about this stuff, guys. This lip liner, I don't care what anybody says, is flippin' amazing. I either use Share or Sugar and Spice. Sugar and Spice is like legit my go-to. It's a beautiful neutral, and I literally line while my lips are like still swollen. I line it, which I did. I probably did this 2-3 hours ago, and I line it with their nice big and juicy, and then I go in, of course, with my two favorite lipsticks, which is Kimchi Doll, which, you guys, this lip look, that it just reminds me so much of like KKW type of stuff, that, or the Kim Kardashian lips, or like, you know. And then I love the shade Buttercup. This is my lip doodad. Like, I like the matte look. Today I have a little bit of gloss on here, which you guys know I love the Gerard Cosmetics nude lip gloss. By the way, I will link everything down below for you guys. I'll even try and like pin a comment for you guys of everything, and what I have coupon codes for, I will have that down there. Just know my coupon codes are affiliate codes. Just keeping it transparent with you guys, and the FTC. You're not coming for your girl. So that's how I fake full lips now. I know I've done many videos on it, but you guys, this was the best pore decision I've ever made in my life. Like, I'm telling you, just perfect. Perfect. Anyways, more items I want to talk about. Some of these items are going to be like probably repeated items, but I felt cheesy just jumping on and doing like one. But these are truly my go-to items that I don't think about. You know, I just grab because it's just part of my everyday routine. And for me, the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream, I absolutely love this, guys. They did give me a coupon code. Oh, snap. I think I got one in back right here. They sent me this, and I absolutely love it. I'm about out, but I'm telling you guys, I'm going to do a skincare dupe video very, very soon for you guys. You guys have been asking for a skincare regimen, and I want to say it was like back in December, I came across a new skincare company. I talked about it in some of my empties, and you guys are going to see me do a video very soon on like my skincare regimen, the products I'm using, and a skincare dupe video. How to save money on really good skincare, but it's like amazing stuff. So definitely make sure to subscribe, because I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. And I wanted to test the products out more than just 30 days before I got on here and like talked about them, you know what I mean? So I'll be putting together a dupe video. I told you guys in the past that I feel like this is 100% a fabulous comparable dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, I think is what it's called. And you guys, I've gone through it. I have backup. I love this stuff. I absolutely love this stuff. It's not pore filling. I would say it's a little bit on the pore blurring, and it is so hydrating. I take it down my neck, down to my décolleté, everything. It is amazing. Now, as far as my skin goes, I am normal to dry, so a little bit of a combo skin, but I'm more on the dry side on the perimeters only because of my anti-aging products that I use, and this is amazing. Another item I wanted to talk to y'all about, and you've heard me talk about this over and over on repeat for probably 2 years now, and this is the Tatcha Pearl. I know a lot of you all have started picking this up because I told you guys it is an investment, but it is an investment that lasts a while. Like this is still my first one, and I bought it the day it released. You guys, I really thought I'd be through. I thought I would be through it. I mean, I'm close, but you get a good amount of product. I use this religiously every single day. This is like an under eye brightener. It may add a little bit of hydration benefits, but some people think that this is a concealer. It is not. It is an under eye brightener, and it works beautifully. On my no makeup days, y'all, I'll just put this underneath my eyes. Sometimes I'll set it with a little bit of powder and call it a day, and that's all I use. Like today, I've been playing around in makeup like this whole week and doing like a full face concealer, foundation, everything, but this is still on. It doesn't cake up. Like I said, it gives a little bit of the, I don't feel like it's overly hydrating. Like a lot of people want to know if it's comparable to the Becca Under Eye Brightening Cream. This is definitely more emollient. I hope I said that right. I don't think I said that right, but you know what I mean? It's very, very moisturizing underneath the eye, where this is not thick and heavy. This is very lightweight, very brightening, but just very lightweight. You're such a professional. Anywho, it is my go-to. I love it. You guys hear me talk about it all the time, and I know it's expensive, but trust me, friends, even though it is an initial slam bam wham, ooh, ouch, large investment, it lasts a long, long time. Anyhow, the next item that I have found reaching for every single day since the day it released is the Gerard Cosmetics. I've already, I use it so much I wore that off. But this is a clean canvas eye base, is I think what it's actually called. And I absolutely love this. I don't know if my video is up yet on my complexion and showing you guys how I use this, but I've also done a TikTok on this Gerard Cosmetics product as well. Hey guys, quick tip. I'm not a professional makeup artist, just saying things I've learned through having wrinkles and crinkles and large pores. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, so if you have some fine lines around your eyes or some large pores, what have you, take your eye primer. I'm going to be using the new Gerard Cosmetics. This is a clean canvas eye base, and actually right now pre-sale's been sold out. It's coming back available February 15th. This is what it looks like. So what you're going to do is dab a little bit on your finger. I've already applied some on my lid and underneath my eyes, but I have some large pores over here and on my chin. Go ahead and apply that and press it in. After you've applied that over the large pores, your wrinkles, your crinkles, what have you, then I actually go in with a pore filler. This is the C Color Cosmetics Pore Filler Stick. I do have a coupon code, HOTMESS10, does save you 10%. And there you go, much smoother. But I do put this all over my eyelid, and then I take a little bit and I just bring it slightly down underneath my lower lash line. You can also use this underneath the eye as a concealer. I can put it on my nose. I can put it right out through here where my pores are really large, on my chin, and it legitimately gives you this smooth, clean canvas to the skin. It is absolutely beautiful, guys. And I do have a coupon. Like I said, I will have my coupons listed down below. This does retail for $21, but with the coupon it's like $14 and change, I think. And you don't need a lot of it. You do not need a lot. Like a dab will do ya. Promise. It's an amazing product. And these are my everyday. I don't think I just grab, and it's part of my routine. Another item I wanted to talk about, I only have two more I'm going to talk about with you guys. This is my Natasha Denona Sculpt and Glow, and I really wanted to bring this back out and talk about it because you guys know I absolutely love Natasha Denona. Like, you know that. And I've been really into like cream based products, and I use a lot of the Natasha Denona palettes every single day. Sculpt and Glow being one, the Natasha Denona Blush and Glow palette, and the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush. I was trying to think. I want to say my complexion going foundation and concealer free video. I want to say that video, I had filmed that so long ago. There's like 3 videos that'll go up I don't know when this one's going up, but I think I filmed those in like beginning of February, and then I kept having other things that I had to shuffle around, and I'm like, oh my god, they're going up a month late. They're gonna sound crazy, but I'm pretty sure my foundation and concealer free video, I talked about these non-stop. I love these palettes, guys, and this one, out of all of them, this you can see, like, your girl doesn't hit pan on hardly anything. So you know, if I hit pan on something, it is a ride or die for me. I love the cream product, and I use all of them, like including this, okay? So I use this every day to contour out. I use this a little dab, like right around here. Like, I always get very red right through here. Like if I'm out in the sun, or if my skin is acting up or a little irritated, it just gets red in that area. So I go in with a little bit of this, and it's just beautiful. And obviously I use the cream products too, but I mean, this palette, if it goes on sale at Sephora, because I noticed her Diamond and Blush palette just went on sale, so I'm hoping this goes back on sale, because I legitimately use every product in here. And I want to say this powder right here is very similar to the Hourglass, that Radiance powder, and that powder right here, I will only focus this on the sides, like on my cheek area. I just love this. This is like a no-brainer palette for me that I know I will constantly keep in my collection. And then of course, last but not least, I had to talk about the Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral palette. You guys, I am 100% like, I love this palette, and the day I'm filming this video, it's unfortunately still sold out, but I know Marlena said that she was going to be bringing it back. Not that it was sold out, it wasn't like discontinued, it was sold out, and she was working very, very hard to get it back in stock. I absolutely love it. And by the way, this palette and the Gerard Cosmetics products were sent to me in PR, but I don't tell you guys about things if I don't love them. You'd be surprised of the products that are sent to me that I don't even show, because I'm like, I can't do that. We work too hard for our money. But these are items I absolutely love. Every single day I am using, even if it's just one shadow out of the palette, I just love this palette. I have the colored palette as well, the Color Matrix palette, which I absolutely love. And I actually used this palette today with these bone shades and then a Pat McGrath palette, because I've been going back through and shopping my stash, and it's just been so much fun. I love when I'm having good days. So anyways, guys, I know the video was really random and kind of goofy, kind of quirky. That's what your girl does. But these are some of my amazing go-to products that I highly recommend. I wanted to give you guys a mixture of affordable as well as, you know, a little bit on the pricey side, a little bit of an investment, but I'm telling you, you're gonna get your money's worth. So anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. Everything will be listed and linked down below for you guys. If there's a coupon code available, I will definitely have that listed so you guys can save money, but please know that those links are affiliate links. Those codes are going to be affiliate codes, so I will be earning a commission. And I do upload, like I said, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I'd love to have you guys, if you're new here, part of our family, and turn your notification bell on. I do have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. Haven't been as active on that lately, but I'll get back over eventually to it. I don't know. You guys know I'm like, woo. Anyways, I am starting my rambling. I'm hopping off. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Crazy girl.